back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So today we're going to be doing a Get Unready with me. This video is sponsored by WFP Beauty. If you guys have not heard about them, make sure you guys check them out on Amazon. And that's WFP, just 3 letters, Beauty. So we're going to be doing our nighttime skincare regimen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get into it.
Okay, so before we get started, we actually have to do a little prep work. So you want to clean your tools. This first one is called the Derma Roller. You want to soak it in alcohol for 5 minutes. The next thing you want to do is rinse it out. Clean it with warm soapy water and a clean either dishcloth or body cloth or anything like that. And then set it to dry for another 5 minutes. You want to do the same thing with the other 2 tools. You want to clean your jade roller with warm soapy water, let it dry, and put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. And then the same with your Gua Sha stone. You want to clean that, warm soapy water, and let to dry for 5 minutes. After everything is clean and dry, you want to go ahead and remove your makeup. So I start off with my lashes, take those off, and I'm going to use this Squalane Cleanser from The Ordinary. And I say cleanser, but this is really just a makeup remover cream. I recommend, if you have a full face of makeup like I do, just to do a double cleanse. So clean your makeup off with this, and then actually clean your face with a separate cleanser. Next, I'm going to take the Bipacel from Lancome, and I'm just going to use this to take off any excess eyelash glue, mascara from my eyelids. After that, I'm going to take my Purity Cleanser. I love this cleanser, first of all. It's one of the best ones that I've used thus far, and it's so cheap. I think it was like $20 or something like that for this huge bottle. So I'm going to use this as my second cleanse, just to get any excess makeup, dirt, oil off of my face. And then I'm going to rinse it away with my makeup remover cloth. I use these little cheap ones because I'm not messing up my real, washcloths. After that, you want to make sure you pat your face dry with a towel. So following that, I'm going to take some toner. This is alcohol-free toner from Mario Badescu, the glycolic one. And then I'm going to follow up with 2 vitamin C serums to prep for our Derma Roller. So with this, if you guys have ever had microdermabrasion done or anything like that, you want to follow the same precautions. So you want to do your entire face in one direction, so horizontally or vertically. And after you do that, then you want to go around your whole face in the opposite direction, just like I'm doing here. Be careful not to apply too much pressure using this tool because it's literally made of like little baby micro needles. So it's kind of opening up your pores and your follicles, allowing the serum to penetrate deeper. You might see a little bit of redness as you guys start to see in the video on my left cheek here, and that's perfectly normal. So I'm going over my face now with some squalane oil just to prep for our jade roller. So remember that we did put it in the freezer, so it's nice and cold. So you want to start on your neck and work your way up your face, going in downward motions up towards your ear, if that makes any sense. So you're going down, but your motions are going upwards. When you get to your forehead, you want to go up, 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 because we don't want to encourage wrinkles. And you just do this about 5 or 6 times around your whole face, okay? Don't forget your under eyes. If you guys have any puffiness or sagginess, this will definitely help lift those up and out. More serum. You guys are going to be really moisturized after this. So next step is your Gua Sha Tool. So I'm not sure if I'm holding this correctly, but I am definitely doing the motions correctly. So this is going to help relieve any tension. You guys can't see in the video, but I'm holding my skin downwards, like towards my collarbone, because you don't want to press and drag your skin. So here, you want to just make sure you're applying pressure, that you're not sagging your skin. And you want to apply the Gua Sha Tool as flat as you can to your skin. So just making sure that the tool is super, super flat. And these are all the different sections of your face that you're supposed to do. So you take this thing and go across your eyebrows. If you have any tension or anything on your face, you just use this to kind of relieve some tension. Now, you don't want to put too much pressure on this either, because you will bust your capillaries and you'll just have little veins all over your face, bruises, all of that stuff. But if you do experience some bruising, that's 100% normal. I didn't with this tool, but like I said, with the Derma Roller, I definitely did see some redness, but that's normal as well. After that, I'm just going to continue my nighttime routine with my moisturizer and eye cream and more serum, of course. And that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. I actually love these products. They're so pretty and the packaging was impeccable. Guys, make sure you use my code to save some money, and I will be doing a giveaway of these products. Don't forget to take care of yourself during this quarantine, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time. Bye.